Hi, this is Frank Teske out of MarineMax Brick. I'm here to show you our 2012 Sea Ray 45 Sedan Bridge. Come aboard. Starting here in the cockpit, you have a nice cockpit table, upgraded sea deck throughout the boat and onto the swim platform. On the port side, you have a grill with sink. Stepping into the salon, on the port side you have a pull-out couch, flat screen TV across. Moving forward, you have a dinette table with an extension for a leaf. Going down into the galley, you have a nice open air space with full stand-up fridge, freezer, microwave, sink, and another electric stove. Coming down in, you have your nice washer-dryer combo underneath your stairs. Nice hidden away, good use of space. On the port side, you'll find the first stateroom. Twin bed, can be converted into a queen with flat screen TV and closet space. Moving towards the bow, you have your master stateroom, storage underneath your bed, storage along the sides, and closet space on each side of the bed. Flat screen TV, and moving into the master private bath. Stand-up shower, toilet, sink, and storage. Since this is Sea Ray's Sedan Bridge model, there is no helm in the interior. That is up on the flybridge, so we'll go up there now. As you can see, it's a nice spacious area. You have a U-shaped seating in the back with a table. This boat does have a full enclosure isinglass. Upgraded large Garmin 16-inch screens. It also has an upgraded Fusion stereo system with JL audio speakers. This is a Zeus 480 pod boat with Axius steering. For more information on this boat or any boat at MarineMax, please visit us at MarineMax Brick or MarineMax.com. Thank you.